Alright, let's explore the cin and insert operator, a powerful mechanism that allows you to interact with your program and accept user input. Let's begin. Let's create a basic program. Include the IO stream, which will gives us access to input-output functionality. We'll then include namespace standard. It's not needed, but it will make work a little easier. Then create an int main, which returns a value of 0. And we'll add a little more things. Let's declare a variable called number. So declared, but not defined. So in memory, we are saying that create a space for a variable called number, and that variable can only store memory allocated to an integer type. So far it has no value. Let's do a basic cout statement and say please enter a number within that. So we know what this does. Cout with the extraction operator, the extract extraction operator. This is the extraction operator. Essentially takes data that's in between that one extraction operator at least, or two extraction operators, and outputs that valid type to the console. Extraction operator. We will then use a cin statement with the insertion operator. And we will say the name, and we'll write down the name of the variable in question, that be number. Then we will say cout, you entered the number, and we'll just say number, and we'll do an end line. So let's try to focus on what we're doing here. Inside the main function, which is our starting point, we declare a variable named number, which will store the user's input. Next, we use cout to display a prompt message asking the user to enter a number. This will be done via the keyboard. We now focus on the cin statement. After displaying the prompt, we use the cin operator statement to read the user's input and store the number variable. Finally, we use cout again to output the display to display the input provided by the user. Let's run it and see an example. So build, let's run the value and let's enter, let's go with 42. You enter the number 42. That's how cin works. It allows us to accept user input and store it in variables for further processing. Now remember, cin, this right here, is not limited to just integers. You can use it with other data types such as floating points, characters, and even strings. When you begin to create your own classes, you can overload this to input your own class objects. That's it.